Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hotjar funnels and discover UX drop-offs, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Hotjar funnels and discover UX drop-offs, begin by logging into your Hotjar account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Hotjar website. Once logged in, navigate to the Funnels section on the dashboard. Click on Create New Funnel to initiate the setup process. Give your funnel a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Select the pages you want to include in your funnel by entering their URLs. Ensure the URLs are organized in the order users will navigate through them. Next, define the conversion step, which is where you want to track successful completions. You can also adjust the time frame for your funnel analysis by selecting a start and end date. After setting up your pages and conversion step, click Save Funnel to finalize your setup. Hotjar will then process the funnel data, which may take a few moments. Once processing is complete, navigate back to the funnel's dashboard to view your funnel's performance. Analyze the data displayed, focusing on the drop-off rates at each step. Identify any significant drop-off points, which indicate challenges users face. To further investigate user behavior, consider using Hotjar's Session Recordings feature. This feature allows you to watch real user sessions and understand where they struggle. Look for patterns in the recordings that correspond to your funnel drop-offs. Collect insights from the recordings to inform your design and UX improvements. You can also use heat maps to visualize user clicks and interactions on your pages. This will give you additional context behind user behavior in the funnel. After analyzing the data, compile a list of actionable insights to address the identified issues. Implement changes based on your findings to enhance the user experience. Continue monitoring your funnel performance over time to ensure improvements are effective. Regularly revisit your Hotjar dashboard for updates and insights on user engagement. With these steps, you are now equipped to effectively use Hotjar funnels to discover UX drop-offs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.